So we've gotten pretty far with her. She still don't lead. So now we gotta teach her how to lead, which is where the other lunge line comes into play, and I'll show you guys how to do it. So with this lunge line, I made it myself. Well, I just got a different hook, 1,500 pound deal screws on so that way it don't come off. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna open it up so I can get this through so I can make a loop. I'm gonna close it because I don't want my loop coming in it. So, once you do, you'll make it big. Make it big enough to go over her hip. And I'll show you what to do after that. Easy, man. So what do we do when she don't lead? Easy, baby. Easy. Good, baby. What we're gonna do, we're gonna ease this rope up on her. Ease your loop up. You might not like it. Remember, she ain't restless, so easy, man. You can tell she don't like it because of her ears, because of what her body language is telling me, because of what her head's telling me. Easy, man. Easy. And we're gonna back off. I let it lay on it. I let it lay on her. See, her ears are back. She's not sure what that is. All this is new to her, so you gotta take your time and have plenty of patience. So far, I've got a big loop. I went over. I'll give you to the hand that's holding it. Oh, baby. And all I'm doing is I'm just moving it on each side so she feels it, because she's spooky to it. Really jumpy to the touch. And what I'll do is I'll just keep on inching it back. Yeah. Oh. See how I slid it on back? Oh. Oh. Easy. And now it slid down around her butt, which is what we want. That's why she stepped forward, because she wasn't sure and it went over her butt. So, yeah, but I stepped on the line and caught it. But yeah, so let's continue rubbing her and quieting her down so that it wasn't a bad experience. So whenever she feels something on her butt, it's not a bad experience. And around her ankles. So let's do that. Okay, so since she has quieted down, I rubbed her and same place as the left her, just quiet her down so she knew she didn't be scared. Now I have the lead rope and the lunge line around her butt in my hand. So now I'm going to go forward and just that little bit of pressure. Just keep on her head. This is how you would do it if she was just a baby colt. And then since we're going to be going both ways, I wanted to turn both ways off of that little bit of pressure. And since this rope helps better than chasing her and beating her, I'll use it while I have it. Come on. Good girl. I don't want to smooch. I just want her to be really good at moving forward, so whenever I take that rope off, I won't have to pull it out again. So this will take a few minutes. Let me get it down. Let me make sure she knows it, and then we'll continue. Licking her lips, which is a sign that she's learning. It means she's dusting her brain off. Now we got a girl who can lead. Come on. Good girl. Good Right here.